top balcony, I think. Where are we going? Is it? It's so high, isn't it? Where will we end? So now we end up here in the middle. That's the chocolate kitchen, what they call it. Walking around the Hampton Court. Shirley is in the front. So this is, I think, looks like open patio here. This is the chapel court. Then another small garden here. Oh. Yeah, we can go in from here. We're in the ghost town. You are in the ghost town.
Ended our day nicely.
Okay.
What do you want to do? Want to get a drink now or wait till?
Beautiful. Thank you. Done. I'm done. Thank you, sir. Look at those old, thousands of years old wall and bricks under the tunnel like we're walking here. Yeah, this is their winery, I think. Yeah. You can see all the old barrels and stocks. Wine and beer. Yeah, winery. What do they call this one? Thousands tons, liters of barrels. There's some wine if you want. So big barrels of the wine side. Another winery section here. This is the extent where they serve here maybe. Look at the ceilings. Oh wow. Look at this pillar. How old are they? And that's the kitchen. Look at, they still have the kitchen where it's standing. Here is the serving area, I think, for the kitchen. There's still fire going on. You can see. You're sitting. Here is the menu.
We still use it today. Today
Oh,
it
they-
would be called the red oak thing. It's carmine red, red lipstick. And Harry but with on its own it's purple, bright purple, and with the lemon juice it's red. So you can see the purple here. That's purple.
This is the lemon juice,
The
right?
same one.
So that's lemon juice added to the cutlery.
We're coaching it was made up bright red.
And then green is simply
Well, there's two ways of making green. One is you use leafy plants like parsley or mint, and take the juice out and reduce the liquid. You can actually mix it in so you have a mint flavoured green cup. Or you could take indigo and saffron, blue and yellow, make green.
Yeah.
Several ways to do it.
There's the fireplace. The fire is going on. You can see I'm going out of town from here. This is the kitchen. Wow. You can see all the stocks here. And that's there. Cooking place. Basically, this is their kitchen. And look at the roof. Quite tall, high ceiling. So even though there is a fire, it won't be so like warm or any incident will happen. Hardly. The prevention. Here's a slice of meat. Here's a sack of ginger. Sack of ginger. What else? Oranges, lemons, lemons. They say lemons, right? Look.
The pie over there, the pie.
And what else there? Oh, they're making the
Pie, apple,
pies. Yeah, they're.
that's their like main food.
Yeah. Look at that. How they used it.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Perfectly. So this is how I think they hang the meat and they preserve or dry. You can see the hooks still here. And the place up is like this. The smoke goes up and even the smells, I think. Like this, I can see like a lamb here. So that's the menu for today. Beef, veal, mutton, deer, pheasant, chicken. What would you like? Leg of lamb, yes. Is there?
Keep out of the boiling pot. Ah, they boiled the pot here. Oh my goodness.
Oh, this is boiling pot, I think, isn't it? Yeah, that's the boiling pot.
See, there's a hole in there.
So this is the main place where they supply the food for any deliveries, whatever. This one, yes. This is the like receiving area. Look at this, the small things for the sack of rice or whatever to put it in, I think. Yeah. And that's the big one for many people who will do it. Yeah, can see from here. So this is like kitchen, that one inside. So this is all receiving area. Supply the goods from here.
Yeah, good.
Yes. But this is the delivery gate for the kitchen, where like kitchen supplies. Yes. Now we're going other side in the garden. Yes. Going in again from this area to the garden area, hopefully the next.